Hello everyone, welcome to Spardha Lines. The reason to make this video is to help those aspirants who have registered through our All Karnataka Open Test. So those people who have registered for online mode, this video will be very helpful. So here I'll be explaining you how to download the app and how to attempt the test. In Android phone, you need to go into Google Play Store. Once you enter Google Play Store, you need to enter Spardha Lines in the search window. So the moment you put Spardha Lines, the first appearing icon, you need to click on that. That will be our app. Now once you click on that, you will come out with install button. You need to press the install button. Once you press the install button, the app gets downloaded. After you download the app will open itself. When you open the app, you will have two options: register or login. If you are already existing aspirants, if at all you are the new registration, you need to press the register button. Once you press the register button, you need to put your register mobile number which you have given to Spardha Lines. After you put your register mobile number, you will get an OTP. Press that OTP and you can register with us. So after that, you need to re-log in to our app. The moment you re-log into our app, so the first appearing button will be our open test button. So it will be Target KAS Prelims 2024 Karnataka statewide open mock test series. Press on that. The moment you press on that, then it will open up to the test series. There it will have first instruction video. So not instruction page will be appearing. In that instruction page, you need to read all the instructions carefully. Then at the below, you will have a small agree and continue button. You need to press that and press continue. After that, exact timing which we have provided for the test will start appearing there. In the top, you can see switch languages. There will be Kannada and English. Whichever language you want and you're comfortable, you can switch it to that language. Clear? After you finish all the 100 questions and you're confident, you can press submit button. Or exactly after 2 hours of the test video, what would happen? The test automatically will end. Hope you understood the instructions to download and attempt the online test. If you have any other queries, you can go back to this video again, watch it again. Or second thing, we would have provided an instruction sheet in our Telegram. You can see that and log in again. Hope you utilize these opportunities and all the very best for your future. Jai Hind.